So I'm going to do a quick inspection video. The paint on it overall is very good. There are little tiny chips occasionally. I'll point out what I see. The rubber is good. It's all been replaced. The wood, I would say, is good to very good. There are areas where you can see there's, where it's not perfect, but it's definitely very good. Most all the chrome is perfect. This is looks like stainless. That's in good shape. This could have been done better where the ceiling is done, but most of the workmanship, there's a little bit of scratching here in the paint. I would say overall it's a very solid number 2. Overall it's a really nice driver, something that you could use anytime and feel comfortable driving it. The wheel covers, they're definitely original and haven't been restored, so there are some dents and such. Again, I'm going to point out the little chips in the paint. The hatchback wood is actually really nice, and the spare has a couple of chips here and there, but again, overall it's really nice. I mean, this is perfect, except the ceiling that was done a little more poorly. So again, overall really nice woody, and something that would give lots of fun. The interior is really nice. I mean, again, I would give it a really solid number 2. Older restoration. A few little bubbles here, very small, only on that fender, and again some chips, so that's just water. And anyway, that's the woody.